औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम प्यारे बच्चों, आज है क्लास 8 चैप्टर नंबर 8 सब्जेक्ट साइंस। चैप्टर नाव केमिकल इफेक्ट्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट। चैप्टर पोर्मुत आज तुल एक्सरसाइज पार्ट नंबर 1। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। खाली जाय करू पूर। A part, most liquids that conduct electricity are solutions of dash dash. Most liquids that conduct electricity, वारिया liquid यम conduct electricity बिजली conduct करा तम solution chemic acids, bases and salts. acid solution, base, salt. B part, the passage of an electric current through a solution causes chemical effect. दपा यूस ये passage of electric current pass गसान through a solution मज यह cause करा chemical effect. C part, if you pass current through copper sulfate solution, अगर तु pass current करा copper sulfate solution मज, copper gets deposited on the plate. Copper deposit गसान at plates पे connected to the dash dash terminal of the battery. Connected to the negative terminal of the battery. Dash connected to the negative, connect plate negative terminals battery hines. D part, the process of depositing a layer of any desired metal on other material by means of electricity is called dash dash. The process of depositing a layer, so process yim sait is deposit karachi ak layer ekis metal ya zurat on another metal big metal sait by means of electricity hinzeri, that's when electroplating. Question number 2, when the free ends of a tester are dipped into a solution, here is free ends in tester dip karachi mis solutions mad, the magnetic needle shows deflection. The magnetic needle shows deflection hawan. Can you explain the reason? To hekwa explain karit at kya wajah chhe. The deflection in the compass needle shows that current is flowing. You see deflection in compass needle shows that current is flowing. You see current is flow gasa through the winded wire and winded nang tire moise and hence through the circuit by circuit moise. The circuit is complete. Circuit side complete gasa since free ends of the test are dipped. Tawachi free ends of test dip karais as solutions maz. The solution is certainly a conducting solution. You see solution is a conducting solution. You must pass gasan che. This is the reason why the compass needle shows deflection. Yaha che wajah is any compass needle as deflection hawan che. Question number 3. Name 3 liquids which when tested in the manner shown in figure. H1 3 liquid huna use at manners machi diagram kya hoit in the manner shown in figure. Use shakli machi may cause the magnetic needle to deflect. Magnetic needle deflect hawan. Answer chat, liquids like lemon juice, salt water and vegetable oil. Atma liquid tam liquid like lemon juice salt water and vegetable oil emo much electricity pass through them, much electricity pass gasan. Hence these liquids can be used in the beaker. My liquid says beaker systems istemal kara ye deflection harn khad as to shown the given effect. You see lemon juice is acidic in nature. Salt water go salt and you see vegetable oil is basic. Tawachi acid moist the base moist pass gasan. Question number 4. The bulb does not glow in the setup shown in figure. The bulb chanai glow gasaki you see figure maji setup hoit. List the possible reasons. Explain your answer. Explain pon answer pon jawab karu. Answer chat, the bulb may not glow. You bulb chanai glow gasaki because of the following reason. Achi wajah wadnu ki wajah liquid in the beaker is non-conducting. You see liquid as beaker is non-conducting. Imagine conduct gasa ki electricity conduct chani karan ki In such case, the electricity would not be able to pass through the liquid. Electricity pass gasan ki tawachani bulb glow gasan ki. Number 2, electric current in the circuit is very weak. Yus electric current a circuits maz asa shi sta kamzor asa, weak asa. This can happen if the material used for making the circuit is not a good conductor. Yus material at circuit banane khatar asa shi ishan asa good conductor of electricity ki. Or the battery does not have sufficient energy. Beshnat battery asa sufficient energy, zyad energy ki to generate electricity. These energy shan asa ki youth generate electricity kari, bijli generate kari. Tawachani glow gasan ki am chaz reason. As per question number 5.